Delphis was started about 5 years ago, by two very smart chemists who were working in the marine sector, and they were set a challenge to come up with cleaning chemicals that had no environmental or aquatic impact, that worked very, very well, and hopefully had a health and safety benefit for all the workers on these cruise ships. They set about putting white coats on and came up with a fantastic range. They spent about 18 months working with DEFRA and the European Union to get the European accreditation. They were the first people to get the DEFRA European Flower accreditation in the UK, and at that time had the broadest range. What's important for us is that we have got a DNA that is more than just the cleaning chemical side. Everything that we do is focused on the environment. Since joining, we are completely focused on the packaging. We're completely focused on the transport. We're completely focused on the ingredients that go into the products, the biodegradability of the products. The team that works for Delphis completely understands that we are an environmentally focused business. And at the end of the day, it's vital that the customers also feel that there is an innovation piece, that they are contributing and producing products. An exciting product development that we came up with this year was our limescale remover. We worked with a high-profile customer in St James's of London, very hard water. They had issues with their limescale. They didn't want to use a really nasty, high-acid product. They worked with us, and we have a fantastic, completely ecological limescale remover. Another product that's innovative is we've got a totally environmentally friendly graffiti remover, a chewing gum remover, and the great thing about the industry, I think, today is that there are modern chemicals that we can use that have very little environmental impact, that do biodegrade almost instantly, but do a very, very good cleaning job.
One of the first big contracts we really signed up was Iceland food stores. We did loads of trials. It wasn't a case of dive in and yes, we'll change all the products. We were in there for 6 months doing trials over 7 different stores. So they really put the products through their paces, and a year later we got awarded the contract for the Iceland stores. That's 800 Iceland stores throughout the country. They are over the moon with the way the products are performing, so that's been a fantastic success.
We chose Delphis Eco because as a national provider of washroom products and such like, we were looking at an environmental solution but a total package across the range, not just 1 or 2 products. Any of the other companies that we looked at in the marketplace at the time could only offer 3, 4, 5 products. What we really liked when we started to talk to Warren and Delphis was the fact that they had the complete product range. It also fitted our portfolio in terms of environmental sustainability really, really well because of the environmental products that they actually are. We liked the fact that they had the European flower and all the standards that were necessary, and they had this complete range. That was the main reason why we decided to use them. They fitted our niche perfectly.
We've just signed up recently a big contract cleaner in sort of central London area, a company by the name of Office & General. They've got over 1,000 sites, big business. They've got some very prestigious sites themselves which we've rolled into. The test bed with them was Burberry. We started off at the Burberry head office and trialled it in there over a couple of months before Christmas. After Christmas we went into all the retail stores, and now we're rolling into the rest of Office & General's portfolio, so that's a big win for us as well.
Well, Delphis is a chemical manufacturer. We make ecological cleaning products for the commercial market. What we find though is that we really want to base ourselves more outside of what we do. Sustainability is a really big key point for us. We really want to increase awareness within society. For us, this is done in 2 ways. Firstly, we have a great schools project. We're going to get little kids, year 4, 8 and 9-year-olds, they're going to dose up their own chemical bottles. So they're going to put a little bit of product into a recycled bottle, take it home, fill it up with water, and there you go, mum's got something to use at home. For this, the school encourages recycling. They understand about cleaning products and how they affect the water courses, and also they save money, both at home and for the school. The school will generate revenue from this initiative, and of course mummy and daddy will save on the actual chemical spend of the household. The other thing we'd like to talk about today is our community garden. We have got really ugly garden beds where we are. We're in a sort of light industrial area just on the river in London. What we're going to do is we're going to rip all the rubbish out of there and we're going to create an allotment feel. Together with local residents and the council, we're going to gather together, we've got a few sponsors, and we're all going to pitch in and build a really lovely garden that people can come, in our eyes, they can come and have a little raspberry from on their way to work. We're going to have composters in our actual industrial unit so that everyone around us can just club together. We want to encourage people to pick a flower, to pick an apple, to be a part of what we are. An urban food growing space is something that Boris Johnson is really pushing towards, and we really want to be at the forefront of this. And we would like to show the cleaning industry that perhaps we're not just a cleaning chemical business. We really care about, one, education, and two, just the community as a whole.
The great thing about Delphis is that it is a highly innovative firm, totally focused on the environment, offering great sustainable products to the cleaning sector.